Okay, so let us proceed by our topic for the first quarter. Okay, so let's have a recall. So, alalahanin po natin yung mga topics when you are in grade 7. So, anyone, give me one topic na naaalala nyo? Yes, anak? Algebra, ano pa? Integers, ano pa po? Polygons, and many more. And one of the topic when you are in grade 7 is the statistics. So when we say statistics, it is a branch of mathematics that involves collecting, organizing, presenting, analyzing, interpreting data to help us make informed decision. Okay, so for you to memorize this easier, so I recommend this acronym, COPI. So when we say COPI, C stands for collecting, O,
Organizing,
P,
presenting,
A,
analyzing,
and I. Okay, so COPI, the 5 process needed in statistics. So kailangan natin ng data. Okay, so we need to collect data. We need to organize it, presenting it, analyzing it, and interpreting it. Now, what is data? Data, it refers to information such as facts and number used to analyze something or to make decision. So, ito yung mga kinakalap natin na information. O, for example, so, data like scores in math. So, yung mga scores nyo sa quizzes. So, kailangan namin yon, kinokollect namin yon. Ano pa? Yung attendance nyo everyday. Dahil dun sa mga data na yon, nakasalalay kung kayo po ba ay papasa sa grade 8. So, that is data. Yung mga information, mga data, mga numbers. Okay, na kailangang ilikom, kunin, para ma-interpret namin yung situation. Okay, so now, let us proceed by the 2 types of data. Okay, so anyone, give me the 2 types of data. Do you still remember? Yes, anak?
numerical data, numerical data, and non-numerical data.
Okay, numerical data and non-numerical data. Or another term for that are the qualitative and the quantitative. Now, what is the difference between quantitative and qualitative? Yes, anak? Very good. Okay, so when we say quantitative, okay, let us define. Okay, numerical data focuses on measurable numerical data. So meaning, it involves number. Kapag may number na pinag-uusapan, pasok po siya sa quantitative. Another is statistical analysis. Uses statistical method to analyze data. Okay, at pag sinabi naman natin anak na qualitative, okay, non-numerical data. Focuses on descriptive non-numerical data. Dito nakapokus mga text, mga letters or images. Okay, interpretive analysis uses interpretive methods to analyze data. Again, what is the difference between quantitative and qualitative? Sa quantitative, more on, and qualitative, letters or mga text images. So this time class, let us compare. So identify whether the following data is an example of quantitative or qualitative. So if you want to answer, just raise your hand lang po. Okay, first data, general average. Yes, anak? Quantitative. So very good. For number 2, civil status. Oh, yes, anak? Qualitative. Very good. How about for number 3? Annual income. Yes? Quantitative. Kasi number to, pera ang pinag-uusapan. How about number 4? Years in school. Another hand, yes, iho. Very good. Quantitative. Next, number 5, educational attainment. Ano po ba ito? Yung natapos. Elementary graduate, high school graduate, college graduate, and so on. Yes, anak? Yes? Oh, sige. Qualitative. How about number 6? Skin color. Yes, iha? Very good. Qualitative. Number 7, age. Yes, iho? Stand up. Quantitative. How about number 8? Number of children. Yes, anak? Quantitative. Number 9, weight. Yes, anak? Quantitative. And number 10, social class. Yes, anak, at the back? Okay, qualitative. So, any question about the difference between quantitative and qualitative?